I want Vincent. Vincent is mine. Ah! Get slapped by Vincent. Let's go. If I could turn back time. No, I'm giving you're a strange fella and Motor Chad's a fart smeller. Motor Chad, no, you can't have my. Stop asking me those silly questions. Who are you? How'd you get here? Why are you in my bed? Ice cream, you scream ice cream? We all scream for ice cream? Ah! And Motor Chad has cheesy toes. Go on, you gooner. You goofy gooner. He's a cool guy. He's just look how close you're parking to the car. Bloody. That's what I've got. Yeah, well, you say that, but watch this.